Welcome to Innera Calm. I'm Aurora Vintidis. In the previous lesson, we explored rotation of consciousness. Attention moved through the body in a steady sequence. As awareness visited different areas, many listeners noticed something interesting. Some parts of the body felt more vivid than others. Today, we will explore those experiences more closely. This lesson is called Awareness of Energy in the Body. The word every can mean different things to different people. Depending on the tradition, you may hear terms such as vitality, life force, internal energy, or subtle awareness. For our purposes, we will keep the focus simple and practical. We are interested in direct experience. What can actually be noticed? Perhaps warmth in the hands, a gentle pulsing in the feet, a feeling of heaviness in one area and lightness in another, a sensation of movement beneath the surface of the body. Some people notice tingling, some notice temperature changes, some notice almost nothing at all. All of these experiences are valid observations. The practice is not about producing a particular sensation. It is about becoming familiar with what is already present. During daily life, much of our attention is directed outward. Tasks, conversations, screens, responsibilities. The body continues sending information the entire time. Most of that information never reaches conscious awareness because attention is occupied elsewhere. As relaxation deepens, awareness often becomes more sensitive. Smaller sensations become easier to notice. Experiences that once seemed insignificant begin to stand out more clearly. You may have already experienced this. Perhaps you suddenly became aware of your heartbeat while resting quietly, or noticed warmth in your hands after sitting still for several minutes. The sensations themselves may not be new. What changes is the quality of attention. One misunderstanding is worth addressing before we continue. Some people begin searching for a sensation they believe should be present. They compared their experience with something they have heard or read. Then, attention shifts from observation to expectation. Yoga Nidra takes a different approach. Awareness observes what is present. Some areas may feel active. Some areas may feel neutral. Some areas may feel difficult to notice. Each observation provides information. Each observation belongs to the practice. Over time, many practitioners discover that the body contains far more sensory detail than they previously realized. Not because anything new has been added, because attention has become more refined. In the next practice, we will explore different regions of the body and observe the sensations that are already there. You may notice warmth, pressure, pulsing, movement, stillness, or something entirely different. The goal is not to identify the perfect sensation. The goal is to become curious about experience itself. This is Aurora Vintidis for Innera Calm. Thank you for joining me. I will see you in practice 5.2, Yoga Nidra with energy awareness.